Next, look at here again. Arrange these numbers least to most. Look at this number 25, 26. 25 is the small number. 25 after next big number 26, and then 26 after next big number 30, and 41, 42, and last greatest number, most number, yeah, that is 52. Did you got how will you arrange least to most? That least to most means small to big. Did you clear? Okay. Then next topic is selection. Here, look at this picture of this animal. Yes, tigers. Did you know? Yes, all of you. I hope you all know these tigers, and these are the vultures, and these are the eagles, and these animals' names are, yes, leopards. And find this difference, tiger and leopards. Look at this pattern. Okay, yes, these are the tigers, and these animals name is leopards. Okay, then we can read this topic, selection. The king lion selected the guards. Then the king lion selected the guards from that list. Okay, see how many of each. How many of each? Yes, 18 lion. How many leopards are there selected? 17 leopard, 16 tiger, and 34 elephant, 33 vulture, and 32 eagle. Okay. Okay. Next, turn the page number 95. 95 in our 95 in our teacher text. Look at here. In this, from 26 leopards, 17 were selected. Look at this leopard. Total how many leopards are there? Total how many leopards are there? Yes, 26 leopard. Total 26 leopards are there. And how many are selected? 17 leopards are selected. Then how many leopards are left? How many leopards are remaining? Then what we'll do to find that how many left, how many leopards are remaining? That what we'll do? Yes, subtract it. Total number from how many leopards are. That means 26 minus 17. Did you got? Okay. Then subtract it. All of you subtract 26 minus 17. Okay. That is 26 minus 17. Here in this text, there are two methods are discussed, but we can only need to study only one method to study thoroughly. Okay, then teacher will show you one method, 26 minus 17. Here 6 minus 7 is 6 minus 7. Subtract is not possible. So what we'll do? We need borrow from the nearest number, that is 2 become 1 and 6 become 16. Then 16 minus 7. 16 minus 7 is, yes, 9. 7 after count. 7 after 9. 8. Sorry, 7 after 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes, 9. Did you got? That is 26 minus 17 is 9. 19 leopards are left it. How many leopards are left? Nine leopards. 9 leopards are left. Clear? You need only study to one method thoroughly. Okay. Then next topic is, from 30 lions, 18 were selected. Total how many lions are there? 13 lions. And how many are selected? 18 lions are selected. Then how many lions were left out? How many lions are? The question is how many lions are left out? How many lions were left out? That means how many lions are remaining there? Then what we'll do? Yes, subtract it. 30 minus 18. Total number of lions is 30. And how many are selected? 18 lions are selected. Then left out. How many lions are left out? Then what we'll do? 30 minus 18. Here there are two methods are discussed. We need only study only one method. That method studied thoroughly. Okay. Then subtract 30 minus 18 out. All of you subtract 30 minus 18. Here look at this number. 0 minus 8 is not possible to subtract. So what we'll do? Borrow from the nearest number. Then 3 become 2 and 0 become 10. 10 minus 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. Then 2 minus 1 is 1. That is 12. How many lions are left? 12 lions are left it. Did you clear this method? Okay. Next, how many left out? Tigers, 25 minus 16. Then subtract it. 25 are total. 25 tigers are total and 16 tigers are selected. Then subtract 25 minus 16. All of you subtract. 5 minus 6 is 5 minus 6. Not possible. Subtract. Not possible. So what we'll do? Usually we borrow 1 from this nearest number. That 2 become 1 and 5 become 15. Then 15 minus 6 is 9. Okay. Then next, elephants. How many total elephants are there? 42 elephants are there. 42 minus 34. Subtract. Yes, here also 2 minus 4 is not possible. So borrow from 4. Then 4 become 3. That is answer is 8. Okay. Okay, next. How many vultures are in total? Yes, 52. Look at this list. 52 vultures are in total. And how many vultures are selected? Yes, 33. 33 vultures are selected. If you have any doubt, look at this table. Total vultures are 52. And are selected. How many vultures are selected? 33 leopards are selected. 52 vultures are total and 33 vultures are selected. Look at these two tables. Okay. Then write in that box. Here 52 minus 33. Here also 2 minus 3 is subtract, no possible. So borrow from the 5. That is 5 become 4. That is 52 minus 33 is 19. Okay. Then eagles. How many are total eagles? Total number of eagles is 41 minus 32. Then all of you subtract. Answer is 9. Very good. Okay. Then next is going together. Look at this number. Look at 2 groups keep guard each day. 15 all. And that means in each day 2 groups of guards are keep the forest in each day. How many are total? 50 members are in each group. 50 members are in total in each group. Okay. Then we can make that group. Lions. How many lions are there? 18 lions are. We can make 50. Then which member we can add it to make 50? Yes, 32. 32. 32 eagles. So all of you write here. Eagles. "32 eagles." Okay, then look at 8 plus 2. Look at this ones place number 8 and 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. That is a trick to make 50. Okay, 8 plus 2 is 10. Okay, then we can understand 18 plus 32 is 50. Okay, then we can cross this bird, also this animal. Next we can make this two group and make total 50. And which animals are we can take? Next, tiger. Tiger. How many tigers are there? 17 tigers. Okay, then all of you write here. "17." Okay. Then we can add to this group to make it total 50. Which animal we can add it? 17. 3. Yes, 7. Look at these ones place number 17 and 33. 7 plus 3 is 10. Yes. Then these animals we can make to second group to make it total 50. That is vultures. So all of you add here. Vultures. Number of vulture is 33. Look at this ones place number 7 plus 3 is 10. That we can understand 17 plus 33 is 50. If you have any doubt, you can add 17 plus 33. Okay. Then total is 50. Total is 50. Then another group. Which one is remaining? Yes, 34 and 16. Look at this one's place number 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 is again 10. Okay, then we can write here. Sorry. Here we can we do a mistake. Edit. That is 17 tigers are not 17 leopards. Okay, 17 leopards. Okay, then okay, next we can write here 16 tiger. We can make a group. Tigers are which number? How many tigers are there? 16 tigers. So first row we can write tigers and which animals are remaining? Yes, elephants. How many elephants are there? 34 elephants. So all of you write here. How many elephants are there? 34. Okay, that means total is again 50. Okay.